Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 8 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this smart band. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on the screen. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app menu. Now, scroll through the list of apps or the icons and find the settings icon. Once you find it, tap on it. In the settings, scroll down and find the option called vibration. Once you find it, tap on it to enter. And here we have a list of vibration intensity levels. We have off. If you select this option, the vibration will be turned off, so the smart band won't vibrate. If you select strong, it will vibrate with the stronger intensity, and if you select normal, it will basically be lower intensity and it's gonna be shorter, as you can hear probably. So select the one you like, and once you select it, you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.